Alright folks, this is Amtrak Capitol Corridor Train 744 heading off to Sacramento. CabCar. Yeah. .8311 Mount Palomar. F59PHI 2002. Alright, this is Amtrak Capitol Corridor Train 744 heading off to Sacramento. Continues on to Martinez, Sassoon Fairfield, Vacaville, Davis, and final stop Sacramento Valley Station. Coming up next is Amtrak Capitol Corridor Train 747. We'll be back on commercial break. Alright folks, this is Amtrak Capitol Corridor Train 747 heading off to San Jose Diridon Station. Here it is now. Came after 744 here in Pinot Point, Richmond. And F59PHI leading this one off. CabCar's 6963 Point Reyes. Okay, and off goes Amtrak Capitol Corridor Train 747 on its way to San Jose Diridon Station. Continues on to Richmond, Berkeley, Emeryville, Oakland Jack London Square, Oakland Coliseum Station, which is your connection could be to the stadium, and Oakland International Airport, Hayward, Fremont, Great America, Santa Clara of University, and then San Jose Diridon Station. Thank you all for watching. I'm out till next time. See ya.